Wait, what the sounds? Why this background isn't special? Let me find out.
Hello, little cat. Do you want to be friends with me?
Oh, wait, we can actually walk. Oh.
Wait, can I just go steal his computer or something?
A computer.
But me as a
I'm
queen.
excited.
Wait.
Are you
Why?
ready? Who is the
Who
cat?
are you?
Are you excited?
Little cat. Are you the truth master?
I am. But that's
That's
more of a
nice.
side hustle. My name is Momo. Wait, Momo!
Yeah, we found
Wait,
it.
no!
Wait,
Wait,
is
Momo
that
was the same cat in Halloween Academy, right? The Magic Academy, Rude.
Momo, that sounds familiar.
Oh, you're the cat from Halloween Magic Academy! Good Judo! Love that game. Does that mean you're the lucky from the Judo Champion Island game? I've been playing it for days. Honestly, yes. Even I've been playing it for days. Wow, what a small world. Wait, is that a compliment? Wait, does that mean you've been controlling me all this time? But wouldn't that mean you were just controlling me? Control that, Momo? I have no idea, dude. Well, that's nothing about it too hard, my friend. We don't want to end up in an existential quarry. Okay, everyone on Champion Island has been looking for you. Oh, I guess I lost track of time, my friend. I've been playing a game for days. I asked my friend the Crane to watch the trophy out while I tried to finish your game, but it's very long, dude. The Crane is your friend. He seems so creepy, dude.
Pumpkin.
Oh, he's not that bad. He just has a funny laugh. Would you like to come back to the island with me? Everyone will be excited to see you. Of course, but they must all be so worried. I'll meet you at the trophy house.
Wait, what?
So wait, Momo was actually controlling you, boy?
Are you breaking about this?